Hi, this is Johnny Shannon, Senior Geospatial Software Engineer at Sterling Geo, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of annoying class rows when you've recoded a classification. So here we have an unsupervised classification, and you can see originally it had 36 classes. We've already done a little bit of recoding on that, but let's have a look at the attribute table, and we can see that we're down to 8 classes, in fact, with 0 being unclassified. I want to reclass class number 7 to class number 9. I want to combine those two classes. The easy way to do that is to click on the thematic tab and hit on Recode, and then if I just change value 7, class 7 to class 9 and hit apply, that will do it automatically, and then I can click close. I'll close the attribute table, and then I'll save that file. It'll ask me if it wants to change it permanently. Yes, I do. Click OK, and then I'll remove it from the viewer and bring it back in. So let's see what we've got now. Okay, well, all that looks the same, but if we have a look at the attribute table, we can see now. In fact, let's just make this class names column a little bit smaller. It's just a little too big for me to see all the properties in one go, so we can change the width of columns. There we go. You can see the histogram of class 7 is 0 now, so there's no class 7 values. So what I want to do is to get rid of that row of class 7 values and recode class 8 and 9, and so we have a contiguous set of values. In order to do that, we need to go to the raster tab and look under the raster GIS properties. We're hitting recode again, but in this case we're creating a new output file, so we'll call that unsup5 rec for recode, and then I can set up the recode. Class 7 doesn't exist anymore, so I want that to be unclassified. Go to 0. Class 8, I now want to make class 7, and class 9 I want to make class 8. So here now we'll have a contiguous set of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and class 7 will be reclassified as unclassified. Let's click OK on that and run that. Shouldn't take too long, it's quite a small file. And there we go, click OK. Now let's bring that in and have a look at what we got. So on the list there, we've still got, we've got nothing there. Let's have a look at the attribute table. I'm getting confused with the original file there, foolish me. So on the attribute table here, we can see that we've now just got the 8 classes plus 0 is unclassified. That's great. We now want to add the class names in. We go back to table. The class names aren't taken across, but we can just click add class name. We can go back to the original file and have a look at the class names there. The easiest way to do this is just copy and then paste that in. But if we remember, value 7 is now in fact class 8. Value 8 is in fact now class 9, and there we go. If we just save that and close the attribute table, close the original attribute table, yeah, we can save that. I'm going to clear the viewer and then bring in our recoded file that we've edited. There we go, beautiful. We've got exactly the classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no class 7, 8 and 9, and if we have a look at the attribute table, exactly the same. We've now cleared up the classification. We have a contiguous set of classes, and that would be good for legends and for general neatness. So hope you found that useful, and come back again shortly for another tip on using Intergraph ERDAS IMAGINE.